Hey, this is Teacher E again. Do you know the difference between bouillon and bouillon? In English, bouillon is a noun which means a clear, seasoned broth typically used as a base for soup or stews. Example, she used a homemade bouillon to enhance the flavor of the soup. While bullion is also a noun which means gold or silver in bulk before coining, or a type of gold or silver. Example, investors often purchase bullion as a hedge against economic uncertainty. In Filipino, ang bouillon ay isang pangalan, ibig sabihin malinaw na sabaw na may lasa na karaniwang ginagamit bilang batayan sa mga sopas o mga nilagang pagkain. Halimbawa, gumamit siya ng sariling lutong sabaw upang mapalalim ang lasa ng sopas. Samantalang, ang bouillon ay isang pangalan ng ibig sabihin ay ginto o pilak. Halimbawa, madalas bumili ang mga mamumuhunan ng ginto bilang proteksyon laban sa kawalan ng katiyakan sa ekonomiya. There you have it. Always remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just learn from them. This is Teacher E. Thank you for watching.